Hi, my name is Abady Alzahrani. I'm the owner of House of Eights Dance Studio in downtown Halifax. I grew up in the Middle East where dancing as a guy wasn't really a thing over there, both culturally and for many reasons. But it's something I always wanted to do. I never had the opportunity to do so. Halifax was a place where I knew literally nobody. I kind of wanted to start completely fresh where nobody knew me. It took me a couple of years after moving here to actually take the plunge into dancing, but once I did, it was like a part of me. Danced an insane amount. Started teaching a few years later because some opportunities came up, and I got to the point where I was teaching a lot. I was teaching roughly maybe 10 classes a week on top of my 9-to-5 marketing agency job. Eventually I decided I needed to pick one and which one I loved more, and dance wasn't what I was gonna let go. So eventually, as I kind of started, that idea got into my head that I want to make dance a bigger part of my life, and eventually quit my job by the end of the year, and by January 2019 I started a business, and here we are today, two and a half years later, doing well, surviving. As a business owner, or a first-time business owner, there's always this imposter syndrome of should I have been the first person to do this? Am I prepared or qualified? But simply taking that step, I guess, makes you qualified to do that. The pride in what you do comes in weird, small moments that you don't really realize until it's happening. I have no regrets in terms of quitting my job and jumping into it, because I love what I do so much now and I feel so happy about it.